how to fix Instagram music problem in less than 1 minute. So if you want to fix the music problem on your Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go down to the apps manager. Go to the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just scroll like this until you find Instagram. Click on it. Click here on force stop and then go down to the storage. Click here on clear data to clear all this number of data, and then go to the home page and open Play Store or App Store if you have iOS, and then go to the search bar, search for Instagram and click here on update if you found the update option. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.